model, 2021 Ford Transit Connect 240L2 Diesel 1.5 EcoBlue 120ps Limited Van Spares OR Repairs Cool Easy Repair. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 35,788. MOT, the 18th of January 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120ps S6H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt snapped, very simple and easy repair for someone who knows what they are doing. Cool. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after. Pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, full service history, parking sensors, 2 keys, air con, cruise control. EU status.